Welcome back. In this video, I will be walking through this beautiful fairy tale village called Saas Fee. This is high up in the mountains in the canton of Wallis in Switzerland. It belongs to part of the Saastal area, and there are many skiing, snowboarding, and winter activity options in this place. We will be taking a stroll in this town, which is a car free zone, and then I will take a ski lift to Hannig, where you can do slow skiing or even take a hike during the winter months too. As I was alone, I didn't take a very long hike up in Hannig. Fun fact about Saas Fee is that they shot the video clips for The Last Christmas by Wham in Saas Fee. There is a jukebox at the entry to the village itself. I haven't filmed that, but it is on another channel where I filmed a night walk in Saas Fee. I will link that video in the description box or also add it in the cards above. Let's begin our walking tour. I have reached the peak at Hannig after taking the ski lift, and this is truly a magical place and very meditative place. I sat there and I just soaked in the beautiful sunshine and the quiet. Here on you can see that the valley stretches out in pure white, and it is framed by all the majestic Alps, snow-covered forests and the village below. This is truly a Swiss Christmas magic. I will be slowly descending the ski lift and walking back to the village. I hope you enjoyed this video and you could get a glimpse of beautiful Saas Fee during the winter months and especially during Christmas time. If you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, and see you in my next video. Bye.